Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share Spotify Wrap to Instagram story. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Spotify. So let me open Spotify. Then you need to click on Wrapped on the top. Click on your Wrapped. Then you need to click on Next, Next again. So here you can see on the last one, you can see share button. Click here. And now you can see that different options. You simply need to click on stories, and here you can see that, and now you can share your Spotify Wrap to Instagram story. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.